Build your mindfulness habit with this calming daily practice to stay centered in life's rush. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you always catch our new meditations. Welcome back to TranquiLush Meditation and to stage 2 of your mindfulness journey, where we help you find peace in life's rush. Let's take a moment to remember what brought us here. In stage 1, the curious beginner, we explored how to simply notice the breath, the body, and the present moment, without pressure or perfection. It was about starting fresh, observing, and gently arriving. Now, you're ready for the next step. Stage 2 is called establishing the habit. It's designed to help you build a steady, realistic practice, even if life gets busy. We'll continue to work with breath and body awareness, while introducing longer focus, sound awareness, and the power of gently returning to this moment again and again. Think of this stage as brushing the dust off each day, a light daily touch that keeps your awareness clear. We recommend listening once a day for 1 week, or longer if it supports you. The more consistent your practice becomes, the more natural mindfulness will begin to feel. Now, find a comfortable place to settle, and let's begin. Find a quiet space and settle into a comfortable position. Sitting upright or lying down, whatever allows you to feel alert but relaxed. Let your hands rest softly. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your eyes gently close, if that feels safe and comfortable for you. Let's begin with 3 slow, mindful breaths. Breathing in and letting it go. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. One more time. In and out. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. You're not trying to change it, just noticing it. Feel the air moving in through the nose and gently out. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive more fully in this moment. You're here, and that's enough. Let's take a moment to feel the body. Bring your attention to the crown of your head, and slowly begin to scan downward. Your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Allowing each area to soften. If you notice tightness or tension, just greet it with awareness. You don't have to fix anything. Just breathe with it. Continue down through your neck, your shoulders, arms, hands. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the chair, the floor, the ground beneath you. Now bring your attention to your chest. Feel it rise with each inhale and fall with each exhale. You might also feel your breath in your ribs or lower belly. There's no wrong way to feel this. This is your breath, your anchor, always with you, always here. Now, begin to notice the rhythm of your thoughts. You might hear a voice in your head narrating, planning, remembering. That's okay. That's part of being human. When you notice thoughts, you can practice letting them float by, like clouds drifting across the sky. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to push them away. Just return to the breath, breathing in, breathing out. Now let's deepen your awareness of sounds. Allow your ears to open to the world around you. You might hear the hum of the room, distant noises, even your own breath. Rather than labeling or judging these sounds, just notice them. Let them rise and fall, just like waves in the ocean. Each moment is new. Each sound, like a bell calling you back to now. Let's come back again to the breath. This time, stay with each inhale and each exhale, from beginning to end. Feel the breath enter your body. Pause at the top and flow out gently. See if you can stay with 3 full breaths, all the way through. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out. 1. Breathing in, Breathing out. 2. And again. 3. Beautiful. You're doing exactly what you need to do. Now, silently say to yourself, I am here. I am here. I am breathing. I am breathing. This is my practice. This is my practice. Let those words echo gently in your awareness. Now let's expand your awareness just a little wider. Notice the whole body breathing, not just the lungs or belly, but your entire body, rising and falling gently with the breath. See if you can feel that. A kind of stillness in motion. Breath flowing in and out. Time to simply be, just as you are. You're not trying to get anywhere. You're already here. Let's begin to come back slowly. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders gently if you'd like. Bring movement into the body. When you're ready, slowly blink your eyes open, letting light return. Feel the space around you. Notice the sounds, the textures, the temperature of the air. Take a moment to appreciate that you showed up. You carved out this time. You strengthened your habit. And each time you return to practice, you nourish that habit, like watering a plant. Not because it's broken, but because it's growing. Thank you for sharing this time with me here at TranquiLush Meditation. I'll see you again for stage 3, where we begin exploring emotions through mindfulness. Until then, may you carry this breath of calm into your day and into the rush with peace.